Nnamdi Kalu now! I came here to Aba today. My name is Sowore, and I'm a friend of Nnamdi Kalu. I'm also a friend and lover of justice. And I came here today against all odds to come and ask that Tinubu must free Nnamdi Kalu now. Tinubu has no option than to free Nnamdi Kalu now. We warned them when they got Justice Omotosho to send Nnamdi Kalu to jail that he can never stand. And they have now understood, but they have not learned their lessons yet. We are not here to make long speeches. I came here to identify with all of you in Aba and all over Nigeria and all over the world that until Oyendu come home, we are not stopping. So please, this is a peaceful march. And we have told the soldiers when we met them that it's a peaceful march, but it's their choice. So we are going to march, keep marching, no talking or singing and chanting. And you know why I'm here. I don't look back. And I hope you all not look back. If anybody has not joined us, tell them to join us. There's no room for onlookers in this fight.